Morning, guys. It is like 7 o'clock over here. Beautiful day. It's like 65 out. Feels amazing. So as you can see, something is happening to the Focus today, and that's not my bumper. That's a wrecked bumper. I sold my front bumper off my ST. Why, you may ask? So I got a new bumper. Obviously, most people know it's an RS bumper. So that should be coming out of the paint shop today and coming to me. So basically, I'm transferring everything over from this one, which is the wrecked one, which isn't mine, but I just went ahead and sold a complete bumper because I didn't want to deal with it, over to all the new one because I had to strip the whole new RS bumper all the way down and get all this off. So basically, I'm transferring the whole wiring over to the new bumper for the fog lights, because believe it or not, the ST and RS use the same wiring harness for the fog lights, which is no surprise. They're both Focuses. But the surprising part is this whole structure right here is the same as the ST. So that's pretty surprising to me, considering like the bumpers are different and the fog lights are different. But yeah, so fun fact of the day. Also, we'll be trying to get off that Ford badge since my other one didn't come with the badge, but I did happen to get the other badge off my old bumper. It's held in by those 3 tabs, which you got to snap those because they got like these little rivets on them, and then it's double-sided tape as well. So mine came off pretty easy. The other red bumper that we had over here, this one bumper to a guy named Matt who also has a red ST. That one was a bit difficult to get the double-sided tape off of, and then Jared got Matt's old red bumper on his white ST because Jared wrecked his, which this is Jared's, white bumper. So yeah, he rear-ended a lady going pretty fast. He said he didn't even really push on the brakes because she, I guess, missed her turn. Ooh, bless me, coronavirus. But I guess she missed her turn, was paying attention to GPS and cut him off hard, and so he slammed into the back of her. I even got his headlights right there busted. I had another set of headlights I sold him. Trying to get him right, but his frame's pretty it's pretty messed up, because honestly the whole upper radiator support for these Focuses are plastic, so his like cracked and pushed back and pretty fucked up. So he's gonna need a new upper radiator support and probably some actual like body work, or maybe even pull the A-frame. But yeah, so I can't wait for my RS bumper to get here. Now I know a lot of people are like, well, why don't you just buy an RS, or why are you just gonna put an RS bumper in ST? So fun fact is, I even have this filled in. The actual grill part is filled in, so it's gonna have an ST logo. It's not gonna have the RS logo, so it's not even gonna be like an RS wrap or anything like that. This is like a legit RS bumper. So I got those because it came with like little lines to line up the badge, but I got that all filled in. I'm gonna put the ST. I got a piece of glitter on me. I'm gonna put the ST light up logo I have there from Lit Logos on the RS bumper. And then also I have a rear piece that I need to go pick up today. And some of y'all know it's Maxiton rear lip. Got a good deal on it, and I got to take that over to my painting buddy, Aaron Alvarado. So if y'all need paint, hit him up. I'll try to link his business in the description. I'm leaning on my wife's workout machine. But yeah, he does phenomenal work. He painted the Prelude way back in the day in his driveway, like before he even had his own shop. You know, like he's been painting for a long time, and now he's finally got his own shop, and he's doing really well, and I highly recommend him. So yeah, so like I said, I'll try to link his email or something in the description, so if y'all are in the Houston area and need a good paint guy, you can hit him up. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, is transferring this wiring over to this new one, and hopefully I get that bumper in. Well, what's up? Alright guys, so the bumper has finally arrived, and we test fitted it. It fits perfectly, it matches perfectly. Now I gotta piece it all back together though and put it on, and there's a little sneak peek of it. Yes, it's sitting on the hood of the Prelude very gently, so don't worry. And plus the Prelude will probably get a paint correction anyway before the motor goes in. But I'm extremely happy with the way this bumper turned out, and I can't wait to get all these bezels and whatnot put back on it and it looking A1. So yeah, let's do it. You wanna help me? You can help me? Yeah? You wanna help me? Maybe? You look lost. I think he's hungry. You wanna go get some chi-chi? Yeah? yeah, let me go put them down, and we're gonna get started putting this bumper together. All right, guys. So I stayed up really late because the bumper's just full of little pieces and stuff. And I was getting it on there right, and then I was installing the Hello horns, and it came out really nice actually. So I'm opening my garage. I'm gonna flip it around, show y'all. I still got to put on the side clips on the side so the bumper sticks out a little bit on the side. So once I put that side clip in, it'll be good. But yeah, guys, it's looking pretty mint. I'm gonna put these side clips on real fast, and then I'll show y'all how the bumper came out. I definitely need to get like some ST2 or 3 headlights, or maybe I just need to retrofit my own because these ST1s with just halogen headlights don't do this bumper any justice. Alright guys, and here she is, all completed. You got the Hello horns right behind the grill. And I was even able to do my little Sparco tab. I just went with a pre-hole that was already made. I might have to make one that's a little more accessible so I get more of that hangs out. But it came out really nice. The color match is great. You can see where the hood's off slightly, so there's this plastic piece that goes there that I lost. I had it somewhere here, but it pushes the back of the bumper up, or the underside of the bumper up, so it actually seals. Right now, to even get it that close, I have a piece or a whole roll of electrical tape underneath it. But yeah, guys, like I said, it looks really great. I think the headlights don't do any justice. And then another thing is my lit logo doesn't work anymore, so I got to contact the owner, Skylar, for that. But guys, I'm more than happy with this front bumper. It is a ton more aggressive than the ST, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome. And then of course the Hello horns just behind it make it that much more aggressive. My badge is on, so I got a little bit more things to play around with, but overall I'm happy with it. You can actually see down in the bottom grill there's this plastic piece that goes around that to help that stay on. For whatever reason I can't get it to line up correctly. I thought I could, but now looking at it, it doesn't, so I'm going to end up taking that off and finding a different way to mount that bottom grill just to protect my intercooler. But like I said, overall, I'm happy with the color, the color match, the fit. I mean, Aaron Alvarado knocked it out of the park. I mean, he didn't even have my car there to color match it, guys. He just went off the color. I mean, you can know, even if you have the paint code, it can go all sorts of different ways. And then even with my car being older and all the scratches, it still matches pretty damn good, you know, because like you got old paint versus new paint. But yeah, guys, I'm happy with it. Let me know what y'all think. Yes, I know I could have just gotten RS, but like I said, I didn't want the RS. I wasn't going to pay that much money for a Focus. The ST's fun. It's I don't know. It's just more practical for what I need it for a daily. If I blow it up, it's cheaper to repair. Maintenance costs are less. All that. I couldn't bring myself to buy an RS because I'd want to really baby it. However, I do love the RS front bumper. Not a big fan of the RS wing. I know I've gotten a lot of flack on that. But I'm not trying to make my car an RS replica. I just really liked the front bumper. And for the back, I actually got the Maxton rear valance. I have not got it yet. I gotta go pick it up from Michael, and I gotta drop it off to Aaron so he can paint match it. But that'll be coming soon, and I think that'll help complete this look. But yeah, for the moment, I'm really happy with it. And then eventually, I'm gonna get the carbon fiber piece for this center grill piece, and I think that's really gonna help set it off. But yeah, guys, like I said, let me know what y'all think. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will be trying to upload some more content and whatnot. I was going to show you how to do those Hello horns. I actually made my own harness and was able to use the factory plug. So it's just directly plug and play. And then the tab on the OEM crash bar actually has these little holes in it, and I was able to use those to mount those on there. So it worked out perfectly. But yeah, guys, please let me know what y'all think. I love y'all. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you all to everybody that helped me hit 600 subscribers. I'm extremely happy. Hopefully within the next few weeks, I'll be buying the wastegate for that motor, so I can finally put that motherfucker in. And then I also got to send my rear mount to Justin. He's going to make it a solid mount because I know I'm going to be pushing some power. I at least want a solid mount in here to help bear some of the weight or the load of the motor. So, but yeah, guys, She's looking good. I gotta go get ready for work and head to the Ford dealership real fast.